In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an account in QuickBooks using the Chart of Accounts feature. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the QuickBooks website address. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. If this is your first time using QuickBooks, you might want to spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout to make navigation easier. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to click on the Settings gear icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu providing you with various options for configuring your QuickBooks environment. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is a comprehensive list of all your business accounts in QuickBooks, so it's a fundamental area if you're managing finances. Whether you're a sole proprietor or a part of a larger business, understanding this section is crucial for keeping accurate financial records. Once you've clicked on Chart of Accounts, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all the accounts you've set up. To edit an account, you need to find it first. Look for the account you wish to edit, which should be listed on this page. Once you've located it, click on the drop-down box next to the account name. After clicking the drop-down box, you will see an option to edit. Click on Edit, and this will bring up the account details that can be adjusted. This is where you can make precise changes to your account. For example, if you need to change the account name, simply click on the Account Name field and enter the new name. Ensure that the new name accurately reflects the account's purpose for easy identification in the future. Similarly, if you need to edit the account number, click on the Account Number field and enter the updated number. Using distinct and meaningful numbers can help you efficiently track transactions. So, take this opportunity to align your account numbering with your business's financial structure. Furthermore, if you require changing the account type, you'll want to click on Account Type. This is essential because choosing the right account type affects how QuickBooks categorizes your transactions and can impact your financial reporting. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, the final step is to click on the Save button. This ensures that all your modifications are stored and reflected in your QuickBooks data. Saving your changes regularly prevents data loss and keeps your records up to date. And that's it. You've successfully edited an account in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you can manage your accounts effectively, ensuring your financial data is always current and accurate. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!